Miguel once worked daily at a bustling construction site, hard hat and steel boots part of his usual gear. However, his passion lay in history, particularly in architectural antiquity and preserving it. An unexpected opportunity came when a local landmark needed restoration, prompting him to retrain and pivot his career. Today, Miguel is a historical restoration artist, skillfully combining his construction knowledge with artistry to restore timeless structures. His journey exemplifies blending technical expertise with artistic passions, encouraging young professionals to explore unconventional career pathways while honoring history.